Hello, welcome to Train with AI Pro, your channel for learning to use artificial intelligence. Today I'm diving into Grok, an artificial intelligence that is funnier, more real-time and sometimes smarter than competition. If you are still stuck on ChatGPT, this may change everything. And in this video, I will guide you through the sign-up process and discuss how to use some option you may find in this AI. Before to start, I would like to thank you to Proton.com because it provides some useful tools used to create and edit this video. Proton is a Swiss company which offers a free tier with no ads or tracking and premium plans, starting affordably like for example as you can see Proton Mail, Proton VPN, ProtoDrive, ProtoCalendar, Proton Docs, Proton Meet Authenticator, and also as the last one Lumo AI confidential chat assistant for private queries. Alright, so if you don't have any doubt, let's get started. In this video we will guide you through the process of sign up on Grok. Most people think that ChatGPT is the king in early 2020. Probably they are wrong, and this is the reason. Actually, Grok is built by XAI Elon Musk company and proved to be competitive, capable to understand memory and pull real-time data from apps. Today we are showing you exactly how to use Grok step by step for pre and space service. Okay, so the first thing, as you can see, we are creating our Proton Mail for our company. And once we have this, we will go into the sign-up page of Grok. And we will start the process of creating our own profile. All right, let me see here. Okay, we're entering into the inbox. And now say the password, never loading the page here. This is our official email. If you want to send some comments, notes, you can contact us at this email. All right, now we are back to grok.com, and from here we will just start the sign up process. Okay, as you can see, you have the sign in and sign up, so press your mouse on the sign up. And once you press sign up, we will enter into the sign up page. Here you will be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Okay, make sure to follow the password requirements. My suggestion is to use some capital letters and some special characters. Actually, to sign up you have different options. If you have an X profile, you can use that. You can also use your Google profile or Apple profile. Today we will focus about how to sign up using your email. So here we are, so I type train with the AI prot at Proton Mail. Then I click on let me see if I can zoom a little bit. Okay, I press on sign up, and now we have a confirmation email, so be sure to go into your email and copy this confirmation code. You can see that for us it's NV0-1A7. So you can, if you don't want to type it, just copy and paste this code. So you see, select the code, copy, go back to my Grok, and just paste this code here, and automatically you have the confirmation. Now here you can just write your name, surname, in this case it's our company profile, so Train with AI is our first name, and lastly Pro channel. Here we are, as I say, you just have to type your password, verify that you are not a bot, and once this is done, press on complete sign up. Here we are. Okay, and it's done. Congratulations, now you are a Grok user. You will be taken to your personal dashboard, and here you can customize your profile, manage your search history, and set up your preference. This is something that we will do in the next video. Now let's talk about what makes Grok unique. Unlike traditional search engines, Grok uses artificial intelligence to understand your intent and provide more reliable results. Actually, it's capable to learn from your interaction, improve its understanding over time, and it can start to interact with yourself almost like a human being. So these are some of the features that set apart Grok. Why should you choose Grok 4.1? Well, basically because it's built by XAI for maximum truth-seeking with low hallucination, and also it's capable to give real-time data taken from X, formerly Twitter, so it's know exactly what is happening right now. I like some models with all knowledge cut off. There is no political censorship, and it's quite well spicy question. Also in the latest Frontier or Grok 4.1 that it was launched in November 2025 is excelling in conversation, emotional understanding and helpfulness. Okay, sometimes it's funny and sarcastic. We will see later how to use the fun mode and what you can achieve with this fun mode. Alright, plus it has native tools like web search, code execution, images generation and analysis. Alright, there are different options in Grok actually, as you can see. One is the auto. The auto mode is great for basic use, or if you are a beginner there are just some limitations. It's not very good to manage complex queries, but at least it's free. Then the next one is Super Grok options. This is a paid subscription on Grok, EXE, AI. In that case, if you don't pay, you have to accept some higher limitation. You cannot prompt too many times. So you see, this is the annual payment for Super Grok or Super Grok Heavy. If you don't have enough money, you can also reduce to a monthly payment. And if you don't have money at all, you can select the free plan but with some limitation. Then, if you don't have any problem with that, we can go to the next point and let's talk about the future of Grok. The team behind Grok envision a world where AI help us make sense of the vast amount of information available online. And to do that, they create a more intuitive, personalized and efficient search engine. Now let's talk about the interface that we have here. One is the chat button. Use this to start a fresh conversation with your new profile. In the chat history profile, this is useful if you want to review some past threads and go back. Now mode selector. As you can see, we can select between auto with no limitation, expert, and Grok 4.1 if you want. Then you have also the voice and the image. The image is useful if you want to select some generate image created by Grok. And later we will see also that there is the option to create your own image if you want. Let's see some personas that you can select. So you can select illegal, convert documents or create also image from Grok. Alright, for the voice, as we said before, at the moment it's an option that you can use only on the app and mainly on the Android. Okay, now if for example you would like to test some real prompts with Grok, we will show you live some options that you can test. Like for example, you type this prompt like, give me a 5-bullet unbiased summary of the biggest news in the last 24 hours and cite X post when possible. We press the black arrow on the right and we wait for the answer. You can test this at home, and in the P1 this video was created. This was the answer generated by the AI. Make some experiments, create some tests and see what you are capable to achieve. As you can see, it's quite fast. Reliable and giving you some information that you can use it. Now we move to the next example. For example, you can write, who would win in a fight between Elon Musk with a flamed flower or Mark Zuckerberg with the metaverse? Now, to give some indication to about what we want to achieve, we create this arrow. And we write show the hilarious answer, so the RE will understand that we want something funny. Okay. Let's see the spell okay. And now we press the black arrow. Let's see the answer. As you can see, it's taking a little bit, reading some posts from X, searching for images. And let's see what is going to create. Here we are. Starting to generate this answer, some picture about this funny story and crazy idea, some Twitter better say now post from. And finally a conclusion about this. Meme very good. Now imagine that you want to generate some image, so you can actually test by yourself. In this case, for example, I will create this cyberpunk cat wearing AirPods, Max DJ in Tokyo Rain Coma cinematic ultra detail, and now I will give some extra information to the eye with the arrow, show the insane quality. Okay, let's play this. Fine, press the arrow and let's see what it's going to do. All right, I confirm that I'm over 18 or older, of course, and here we have some examples. The quality is quite good. Pretty interesting idea. I didn't create or give any real image. Everything is generated actually from the artificial intelligence itself. That's quite funny. You can see some Japanese alphabet there. Of course, you can also share this. Copy the link and share somewhere else so you can then download with the button on the right corner. You can see the second option. Quite interesting as well. Just try and make some tests by yourself. Some final tips on your prompt. You can use the think step by step for complex tasks, for example. Or you can turn the fun mode on if you want some creative and funny ideas, or off if you want to generate some serious research. You can also ask cite recent expost when you want some sources. Or for example, you can also research citations from different resources like, for example, Facebook, Google, or even newspapers if you want. For example, as you see, I was trying to ask some recent Facebook post about specific topics. Or you can select the resource that you want to investigate, like for example, New York Times Post. So we specify a specific newspaper. Okay. All right. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Try your first exercise. Follow these instructions of this video. Take a picture of your screen and post in our comments section. If you have any trouble to complete this step, publish your question and we will help you to find a solution. Remember, if this video saved your hour, smash the like button, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe to don't miss our video. See you in the next one. Thank you.